Inside DARPA's AI-piloted war drone, is this the end of human pilots? A revolution in the sky. In a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence, the battlefield is now the latest frontier. The U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, better known as DARPA, is leading this transformation. Their newest creation? An AI-piloted war drone that could forever change aerial combat. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the real world, and it's unfolding rapidly. But with this breakthrough comes a massive question. Are human fighter pilots becoming obsolete? DARPA, the brain behind the battlefield. DARPA has long been the cutting-edge research arm of the Pentagon. Founded in 1958 in response to the Soviet launch of Sputnik, the agency has developed everything from stealth technology to the internet itself. Its mission is simple but bold. Make pivotal investments in breakthrough technologies for national security. Their latest focus? Autonomous aerial combat. Meet the AI drone, the X-62A Vista. The star of the show is the X-62A Vista, a modified F-16 fighter jet transformed into an AI testbed. Vista stands for Variable In-Flight Simulation Test Aircraft, and it's not just another UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. Unlike traditional drones, which require human operators from the ground, Vista can think and fight entirely on its own. It's not just about flying straight and level. The AI inside Vista has proven it can outmaneuver and outsmart experienced fighter pilots in mock dogfights. In December 2022, DARPA revealed that an AI agent had flown and fought in real-time simulations on board the X-62A, demonstrating beyond visual range engagements and close-in-air combat skills. So what powers this ghost in the sky? The AI backbone is part of DARPA's Air Combat Evolution, ACE program. It uses a combination of deep reinforcement learning, neural networks, and behavior prediction algorithms to fly, assess threats, and even engage targets. The system doesn't rely on rigid programming. It learns from experience. Much like AlphaGo beat the best human players at Go by teaching itself strategies no human ever imagined, this AI finds new ways to fly and fight that human minds may not anticipate. In test flights, the AI demonstrated reaction speeds faster than any human. It could adjust its flight path within milliseconds, anticipate enemy moves, and engage without hesitation. Dogfighting with algorithms, humans versus AI. In simulated dogfights, human fighter pilots went head-to-head with the AI system and lost. One Air Force pilot described the experience as being *** shut down before I even knew I was being targeted. ***. This wasn't luck. It was pure computational precision. The AI had no fatigue, no emotion, no hesitation. It doesn't need sleep. It never blacks out under high G turns. And it never misses a cue. From simulation to combat, real-world deployment. The biggest leap is not in simulation but real-world application. The Air Force plans to use autonomous drones, called Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCAs, to fly alongside manjets like the F-35 or the B-21 Raider. The ethical dilemma: killer robots? Critics raise concerns about the ethics of autonomous weapons. What happens when a machine decides who lives and who dies? Can we really trust an algorithm to make split-second life-or-death decisions in complex environments? DARPA and the Pentagon insist that human oversight remains critical. Their doctrine emphasizes human-on-the-loop, where AI assists but a human ultimately makes the final decision to engage. Pilot training reimagined. With AI dominating aerial combat simulations, even the way pilots are trained is changing. DARPA's vision includes using AI co-pilots to train human pilots in real time, offering suggestions and reacting like an adversary. The AI can replay combat scenarios, critique decisions, and even guide pilot behavior. ***, like having an AI Top Gun instructor ***. In 2023, DARPA began real-world testing of its AI pilot using a modified F-16 known as the X-62A Vista. Unlike typical drones, this isn't just a remotely piloted vehicle. It's an AI-piloted aircraft capable of independent decision-making during combat maneuvers. What sets the X-62A apart is its adaptive autonomy. The AI doesn't just follow pre-programmed routines. It learns. It evolves. It watches how human pilots fly and updates its models in real time. In a way, it becomes better every time it trains. And perhaps most striking, in a historic test in late 2023, the X-62A successfully flew and fought without a safety pilot taking over. The AI was trusted to operate solo in complex flight scenarios. Eventually, the line between human training and machine optimization may blur entirely. China, Russia, and the global AI arms race. The US isn't alone. China and Russia are also racing toward autonomous warfare. China's military-industrial complex is rapidly developing AI-enabled drones, surveillance systems, and hypersonic weapons. Russia, meanwhile, showcased AI-powered unmanned aircraft like the Okhotnik Hunter drone, designed to operate alongside the Su-57 stealth fighter. DARPA's most high-profile AI drone project is part of the Air Combat Evolution (ACE) program. The goal? To create artificial intelligence systems that can not only fly fighter aircraft but outmaneuver and defeat human pilots in dogfights. And in some trials, that's already happened. In 2020, DARPA held a simulated air combat competition between human pilots and AI agents. The final result was staggering. The AI, developed by a team at Heron Systems, beat the human pilot 5-0. It wasn't even close. This marked a watershed moment in aerial warfare. An algorithm had just taken down a trained fighter pilot. And that was just the beginning. What was once a tech race for stealth or speed is now a race for artificial cognition. The end of the fighter pilot? So, does this spell the end for human pilots? Military officials argue that human intuition, adaptability, and ethical judgment are still crucial. AI might dominate the tactical domain, but humans will likely retain strategic control for the foreseeable future. Think of it this way. The fighter pilot of the future may be a mission commander on the ground, commanding a fleet of AI war drones from afar, a digital general, not a cockpit warrior. Conclusion: the skies have changed forever. The development of DARPA's AI-piloted war drones isn't just a technological achievement. It's a fundamental shift in the nature of warfare. The age of the lone ace pilot is giving way to an era of algorithmic warriors, where speed, precision, and adaptability come not from muscle memory but from machine learning. Will we remain in control of the machines we build? Or will we one day look up and realize we're no longer the ones flying the planes? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.